Let's check out the place. Hanggang kwarto na lang ba tayo rito? Okay, let's go. Let's check it out. Ito ang aming balcony. From the balcony, we have some sort of courtyard with a big tree. May chill out area pala kami. Masarap siguro umupo rito. Oo nga, masarap mag-chill out dito pala, oh. Overlooking nung kapitbahay namin. Yun, yung neighbor namin, nag-chill out din, no? Ano kayang nasa harapan nun? Siguro may swimming pool. Well, nice place. The Sala Ayutthaya, 1 hour away from Bangkok. May swimming pool doon dyan. Checkin muna natin bago tayo magpunta sa temple. Panay bricks, oh, mga walls niya. Doon ako nag-chill out, oh, katabi ng kwarto namin. Okay, so let's start walking and check the pool area. So this is already the swimming pool area. Oh, another chill out place, oh. Maliit lang yung pool niya, but very nice. Ayun, another chill out place. All right. There's one unit there overlooking this very nice, beautiful swimming pool. Art is, the walls are all bricks. Look at that, huh? Very, very nice. All made of bricks. Okay, so what do we have here?
To the river.
Oh, to the river. Oh, my favorite. This is my favorite. Wow, look at that. Grilled Ayutthaya prawns. 1,690 for 350 grams. Medyo mahal, because it's high-end, oh. Yung kanyang lugar, oh, maganda. Or you can also do indoor dining if you wish. But of course, you always want to do the outdoor dining. Oh, I think it's raining. How come the tables and chairs are fully covered? Yeah, started to rain, eh. Oh, it's fully covered, oh. But this would be a very nice place to eat and drink because of the view of the excuse me, of the ano yan, Berna, Chao Phraya River. Grabe talaga yung Chao Phraya River, no? Ang haba talaga niya. Ito ang birthplace ng mga river prawns. Yes, dito nanggagaling ang river prawns. That's why it became well known. Oh, there's a temple right in front of us. Pala, Berna, ayan na yung temple mo. Ayan, dalawa pa. Okay, so let's do a 360-degree angle or shot. So next time you come here, you have an idea. Ay, meron doon, oh, if you want to ride the boat, pwede pala doon. May maliit na pier doon, Berna, oh. Ha? Yeah, oo nga, mukhang malakas ang agos. Close up natin yung agos. Ayaw mo na mag-boat kasi nga, oh. Hindi, kasi siguro yung river na yan, it's downhill, eh, oh. Hindi, downhill, ano, kasi elevated siya, kanya malakas yung agos. Pero sayang, oh, covered yung mga, ano, mga tables and chairs. Ano, covered yung mga tables and chairs. So, kasi nga umuulan, eh. Saan? Saan yung mga mamahal na kwarto? Ay, yan, sa taas na yan. Ganun ba? Double the price? Okay. Ganda rin. One more look of the Ayutthaya River. Meron daw rooftop bar. So, dito may steps. Oh. Delikado sa mga lasing sa gabi. Dito covered. Dito, eh. Hindi na covered. At may electric fan pa. Okay, so start their music already. Pero maaga pa, eh. Ganda rin yung idea nitong kanyang dining, no? Okay. Ready na yung mga wine coolers, oh. Yan ang maganda. All made of bricks. Yung kanyang walls. Exercise tayo. Rooftop lounge and bar. Oh. Maraming akyatan pala to. Berna. I've reached the top. Ba? Hindi pa pala tapos. May stairs pa. Finally, we're here. View from the rooftop bar with the swimming pool down below. Going up because it's very nice here on top of the roof deck bar. Look at this, and you have a view. Yes, I have to adjust my camera because it's against the light. Well, quite nice. What time you open here? What time you open? 11. And at night, what time you close? 9:30. 9:30.
Same restaurant.
Oh, you also serve river prawns here? River prawns?
No.
No river prawns here.
Yes.
Only drinking.
Yes.
Okay, and then get drunk. Okay, okay. All right. Everything is overlooking the river and the temples. Very nice. Okay, let's go. At least alam na natin. It's the entrance of the rooftop, and that's the restaurant. This is the swimming pool, and again back to the very nice walls. Yes, you'll never see walls like this. It's very, very iconic. Yeah, iconic means it's unique. The design is very, very nice. Hello, how are you? Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you for your prayer. Yes, we're enjoying it. Oh, there's a nice room there. A lot of little opening. So going back to the lobby. Okay, thank you for opening the door. So we're back here at the main gallery. We've seen this a while ago. And the reception where you register. For us to go around, look for some temples, and get something to eat. Tama, Berna? Ikot tayo sa mga temples. Ha? Anong pangalan ng temple pupuntahan natin? Ha?
Patay Juan.
Okay. Yan ang gusto ni Madam Berna. Temples. Alright, we'll be back. Thanks for watching.